Most teachers don't hate AI, they hate cheating. Today I'll show you AI tools teachers actually approve. Teachers approve ChatGPT when you use it to ask doubts, understand topics, and revise, not to submit answers directly. Teachers approve AI tools that help you understand concepts, practice, and improve skills, not tools that do your homework for you. Gemini is great for research and explanations. Teachers like it because it helps students learn independently. Grammarly is teacher approved because it improves grammar and clarity, but your ideas remain your own. Teachers love tools like Khan Academy because they teach step by step instead of giving final answers.
I really like this picture that I found. It actually shows you really neatly where the heart sits in our body. So you can see the heart is surrounded on both sides by ribs, right? And in fact, I didn't draw it in yet, but let me show you where the lungs would be. And safe. And then below them, so if you draw this here, or if I draw it, you can see now that below all of this stuff is a really, really important muscle. So this muscle, people don't talk about this muscle, or this is not the kind of muscle that you usually.
If you misuse AI, teachers will reject it. Use AI as a guide, not a shortcut. If you follow this rule, AI becomes your study partner, not a problem. Subscribe to Cool AI for students to learn AI the right way.